And I'm just standing in the lawn front garden area of St Mark's, Dundela, and this building here is actually significant because this was the original manse where the ministers of the church resided, and this was the home of C.S. Lewis's grandfather, to whom he was very much attached. This was the home of the Reverend Hamilton, and there's something of significance here because we have the doorknob here, and this is what many people believe gave rise to C.S. Lewis producing or give him his idea of what Aslan might have looked like. And here it is. And I thought that this doorknob was elsewhere, but I've discovered that this morning, so my visit actually has been more than worthwhile in getting this video here. And you can come